Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you 5 of the best boot repair tools that can fix, optimize and manage your Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. The first product on this list is Tenorshare Windows Boot Genius, which is an utility software that allows you to make a boot CD, DVD or USB flash drive that can fix all your Windows boot issues. It can also help you recover lost or deleted data, Windows passwords, product keys and even more. By summarizing the main features, Boot Genius is able to offer the following: boot up any computers that won't start properly, auto-repair Windows issues like blue or black screen, reset Windows local and domain password, recover data from even unbootable hard disks, backup or restore, or even manage partitions and retrieve lost product keys. And when it comes to the user interface, Tenorshare Windows Boot Genius is easy to use and it's super friendly, making your life quite easy when encountering more serious Windows issues. All in all, a great tool that you can try out by accessing the link in the description below. Next we have Minitool Partition Wizard, which is a partition manager software that can help you resize, move, merge, format, copy and recover partitions on your hard disk. It can also help you optimize your disk performance, convert file systems, or even migrate your operating system to an SSD. It's a quite powerful disk management tool that can handle various tasks with ease, so summarize the main features of this app are the following: resize, move, extend or shrink partitions without any data loss, copy disk or partition for backup, or even upgrade or align partitions for better performance. You can recover deleted or lost partitions or data, and even migrate your OS to SSD or an HDD without reinstalling. And lastly, you can also check your disk for errors and fix them in no time. Also, when it comes to the interface, we thought it was pretty simple to use because of its minimalistic style that doesn't require much operational skills from the user. All in all, a great piece of software that you can try by accessing the link in the description below. Moving on, we have Paragon Hard Disk Manager, which is an all-in-one software that can help you backup, restore, clone and optimize your hard disk. It can also help you secure, erase your data, create bootable media, manage virtual disks, and more. It's a very comprehensive disk management solution that can protect your data from pretty much any disaster. And some of the main features of this software are the following: you can backup or restore entire disk or partition or individual files or folders, you can optimize your disk performance with defragmentation and alignment, and you can also create bootable media for emergency recovery. As we can see, the interface of Paragon Hard Disk Manager has a modern and sleek design that guides you through every step of the process, and this should be very easy to use even to the inexperienced user when it comes to more serious Windows issues. All in all, a super nice software that you can try out by accessing the link in the description below. Next up we have Iolo System Mechanic Pro, which is a very well-known optimization software that can help you speed up, clean up and protect your PC from various issues. It can also help you recover deleted files, remove malware, update drivers and offer the best tools that can boost your PC performance and stability. And some of the main features of this software are the following: scan and fix over 30,000 PC problems with one click, you can optimize startup and shutdown speed, you can also repair registry errors and optimize settings or recover deleted files and photos, and you can also enhance gaming and streaming experiences. And as well, when it comes to the user interface, Iolo System Mechanic Pro is super simple to use, with a cool looking design that has a great functionality, so if you want to try it out, make sure to access the link in the description below. And lastly, we have AOMEI Partition Assistant, which is another manager software that can help you create, resize, merge, split and format your partitions on the hard disk. It can also help you convert system files, migrate your OS to an SSD, clone the disk or partition, and even more. Interface-wise, AOMEI Partition Assistant is super simple to use with straightforward menus and options to fix your issues in no time. So if this looks good to you, make sure to try it out by accessing the link in the description below. And that's it. These were 5 of the best boot repair tools for Windows 10 or 11, and we hope this video was helpful and informative. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more software reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.